that magnificent woman. She was a soldier for the downtrodden, child, woman, and man. She reached out across the land with a tender heart and a helping hand. She was a soldier for health and hope. Her manner and motto was, I will push on all the long day. And she did in the most commendable and courageous way. I will rise at reveille and not retire until the mournful play of the taps at the end of a full day plight, to improve in the plight of those that ill circumstance turns to be night in deprivations of opportunity. Bigotry, sickness, injury, and poverty. She lived beset with regret for all the dreams unmet, those that marked how she had fallen short of saving the lowly and forlorn, the masses of good folks tattered and torn. She bore heavily the nights, their dark had thousands of critical eyes, of dreams promised turned to lies. She trumpeted sufficiency for all, and justice too over fear, greed, prejudice, and tyranny. As she stood up for the rights of all humanity, you did your part, you played it well, Anna dear Anne. As you lie resting in your white marble crypt, let us not let your memory slip from our minds and our hearts. You stood steady, strong, plain and tall, as symbolic mother to the world, an angel of mercy.